Alright, so today I'm doing a recipe with this pork side rib breastbones, and yeah, I haven't done a recipe in a long time, so I'm just gonna add a couple of things to it. Put this lemon and limes that I had lying around, and I got this, and I'm gonna rub it off. Yes, I know it says chicken on it, but you can actually rub it on any type of meat. So, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna slow cook it, and then we'll see how it turns out. All right, guys, let's prepare the meat here, and I'm gonna add some vinegar to this as well. Okay, so I didn't have any vinegars, but I'll use this. All right, so I was gonna trim the fat, but it's actually pretty trimmed. So let's add the seasoning, and then I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to let it soak in the seasoning. Okay, so just waiting, and then I'm gonna put it into the Instant Pot, and we're gonna slow cook it. Here are the ribs all done, and let's do a quick taste test. It is falling off the bone, as you can see, and oh wow, that is tender. It's got some herbs from the seasoning mix. You get a lot of rosemary going in with it. Yeah, it's quite good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.